Good morning, children. So, today we will start in our workbook of English, chapter number 1. Good morning. Okay, children. So, the question answer is the very first question. Why is the child in the poem happy? In the poem, why children is happy? We have to write the answer. The child in the poem is happy because it is morning and she wants to go and play outside. Next question. To whom does the child say good morning? The child say good morning to the sky, the sun, the wind, the bird, the tree, the grass and the bee. Third one. What does the child want to do? Answer. The child wants to go out and play. Fourth one. Find out the opposite of the following words from the poem. First, day. Answer is night. Second, in. Answer is out. Third, asleep. Answer is awake. Now, MCQ question number 2. Write the correct option A, B, C or D in the box. You have to write the answer from there. First one. How does the child greet the bird and trees? So, he is telling good morning. Second. How did you find out it was day? Who asked this question? So answer is the child. Third one. Which word in the poem rhyme with tree? Answer is bee. Fourth one. Which word in the poem rhyme the word day? Answer is away. Fifth one. Which word in the poem rhyme with sun? Answer is run. Which word in the poem rhyme with to? Answer is you. Seventh one. What will you say when you meet your friend during lunchtime, afternoon time? What you will say? Good afternoon. Okay, children. Now we will say in our next page. See, children, in our next page also MCQ. What will you say when you leave school in evening? Okay. What you will say? Goodbye, you will say. What will you say when you go to bed? Good night. Right, children, you have to complete all this work in your English workbook. Third question. Look at the picture and answer the questions. First one. This is a picture of daytime. Yes, children, this is the picture of daytime. Second. What do you see in the picture? Answer is tree, sun, birds, kite. In the second picture, this is a picture of night time. Yes, children. What do you see in the picture? Moon, curtain, bed, clock. Right, children? Now we'll continue in our next page. Question number 4. What do you see around you during the day and at night? Draw. You have to draw this. I am not able to draw because I don't know how to draw well. So you children can draw it. 2 things and write their name. I have already written the name sun, cloud. In the day and in night, moon and star. We will continue this new chapter, the magic garden. First question answers are there, so we will see it. Where was the magic garden? The magic garden was in the school playground. Name the flower that grew in the magic garden. rose, sunflower, marigold, poppy, pansy. Third one, who were the little gardener? The children from the school were the little gardener. Fourth one, why did the flower love the little children? The flower loved the little children because they watered them and dug the ground. Fifth question, why did the bird love the little children? The bird loved the little children because they were kind and brought bread for them. Okay, children. Now we will continue this in next page. What make the sun happy? Seeing the children running about in the golden sunshine make the sun happy. Seventh one, why did the flowers stop their song? The flowers stopped their song to listen the children laughing and singing. Eighth one, what did the fairy do? The fairy danced and sang sweet song. What song would the children hear in the garden? The children would hear the sweet song of the fairies in the garden. Again MCQs. Question number 2. Write the correct option A, B, C or D in the box. First one. Who were the little gardener? Answer is school children. Second, the flower loved the children because they watered them. Answer is watered them. Third one, the bird loved the children because what they are doing? Brought bread for them. Fourth one, the sun was happy to see the children. So answer will be running in the golden sunshine. Fifth one, only the children would hear the song of dash. Answer is fairies. See children, now question number 3 is filling the blanks. Option is given. I am reading for you. You have to see and write. The school children were the little dash. Answer is gardener. Second, the flower loved the children because they dashed them. Answer is watered. Third one, the dash loved the children because they brought bread for them. Answer is bird. Fourth one, the dash was happy to see the children running in the golden sunshine. Answer is sun. Now come to the next page, page number 9. The sun was dash tall. Right children? It is very far from us. Okay. The marigold wore a dash dress, golden. The dresses of the fairy were made of dash flowers. The wings of the fairy were made of dash. Answer is sunshine. Now next question is children rhyming words. So I have written for you and you have to write two names of tree, flower, birds, insect, thing, tool. So I have already done for you. Now in 6th, the picture story you have to write. You have to see the picture and you have to write. I have already written and you can see from it and you can write from this. And it will continue from page number 9 to page number 10. Okay children, I have done for you till page number 11. You have to see and finish and continue So we will do in our next session. Till then, bye.